Financial planning isn't just a background task, it's the foundation of profitability. To boost your profit, you need a clear strategic financial roadmap that guides every decision. Start by setting realistic revenue goals and breaking them down into monthly, weekly, and even daily targets. Then, map out all expenses, fixed and variable, so you can understand your break-even point and protect your margins. Use forecasting to anticipate cash flow shortages or seasonal slowdowns before they happen, giving you time to adjust spending or ramp up sales. Allocate budgets not just to keep the lights on, but to invest in growth, whether that's marketing, staff training, or product development. Track KP is like gross margin, net profit, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value, so you know exactly what's working and what's not. Build in emergency funds and buffers to avoid sudden setbacks, and review your plan monthly so it evolves with your business. With strong financial planning, profit stops being a guessing game. It becomes a measurable outcome of smart, disciplined strategy.